UP government will be introducing the black money in the Lok Sabha today, and if this bill is passed in the parliament, it will then pave the way for the procedure to deal with people who have undisclosed foreign income, also assets held outside the country.
Bill the money to for the return of black money, assets illegally created abroad, is coming up in Lok Sabha. We expect the Congress party to support the bill. Any attempt, because the manner, the rate at which Congress party had been blocking legislations, this is one bill possibly they have much to fear about, because the black marketeers and corruption went completely unchecked during the UPA regime, during the Congress regime in the past. Whether they will use the same excuses to that they have cited in other cases to block the bill, or whether they will lend a complete and unconditional support to the government on this bill, is something that will be witnessed by the people of the country. The real character of the Congress party will be assessed by the people on the way they respond to the legislation concerning black money and prevention of corruption.
To the black money issue, it would be strange if any political party chooses not to support the black money bill, because after all, this is in national interest, and why would any political party want to protect those who have stored or stashed their black money abroad? So I would expect Parliament would certainly debate on it, discuss on it, and Parliament is within its rights to pass it.
And Aishwarya is with us on the phone line. Aishwarya, we just heard two reactions from the BJP, first from the GVL Narasimha Rao and second from Nalin Kohli, both in fact putting the onus just on the Congress, saying that their intentions need to come clean if they really want black money back in India.
Well, it is because Congress has been caught on the back foot. They rather just don't know what to do. If they just cannot be seen opposing, if they are supporting this bill, then they are accepting that whatever happened in UP1 and 2 was nothing less than corruption, and this is something which they would not want to accept at any point, and that's why we are very embarrassed by the Congress party at this point of time, because they just don't know how to basically strategize on this issue, because black money bill was introduced today itself by the finance minister in the Lok Sabha, and it is rather catching up with the Congress on the wrong foot. Now we are being told that the meeting is taking place within the Parliament of all the senior Congress leaders, including that the Congress Vice President, and we are being told that deliberations are on that what exactly is going to be the strategy of the Congress party on the black money bill.